guys, welcome back to Budget Rebuilds.
So we traded our green bike that we posted for sale last week. It went quick. About a day after I posted it, somebody called me with a 2004 Big Dog Ridgeback chopper. So I've been wanting one for a while, so we went ahead and traded straight up. It's been sitting for a while. It's got some small quirks and stuff like that. The speedometer doesn't work right, and all the aluminum hasn't been polished in years and years. It needs a back tire, little stuff like that. I don't know how far I want to go with it yet, but I'm thinking this video will just go ahead and get it polished up. And if somebody wants to buy it right now, it's obviously for sale all the time before I fix anything else on it. But if you're interested, just let us know in the comments.
All right, after this, guys, we're going to go outside. And we got two vibrant red 93 Cobras. We're going to show y'all that. Melissa's had hers for how long?
Almost 20 years.
And then I bought mine probably almost 2 years ago. But I don't know if y'all know, but these cars are getting very, very pricey. And I only made 4,993 of them in 93. So I don't know. We'll go out and show y'all the cars. They're pretty cool.
This big dog is a 107. It's a full polish motor. It's carbureted, and it's also got a Baker 6-speed. It's a rigid, so no suspension in the back. It rides like shit. It drives like shit. It's stupid fast. It's very, very fast for what it is. And I've had it up to like 80 miles an hour on the interstate in my neighborhood. But you can see that the belt started to separate and come apart on it.
Did you go faster when that happened?
I didn't know.
Oh,
I didn't know it was like that until I went to go start cleaning on it and shit.
You were doing like 150 before that.
Doing 100, 220. Yeah. I was racing a high boost on the interstate.
Yeah.
Busted its ass.
I feel like everybody knows choppers are for looks and ride like shit, though.
Right. I mean, that's kind of part of the deal. It's all for looks and shit, but it's just dirty. It needs to be cleaned bad. It's got a spot on the tank right here. I really don't feel like fixing it, but we'll sell it cheap, and if somebody wants it, cool. If they want it fixed, we'll do that too. So before we get this polished, Josh has places to go, so we'll go ahead and show you the 293 Cobras.
All right, guys. Like we said in there, I've had this one about 20 years. Josh is actually the one that found it for me. So thank you, Josh. And I absolutely love it, and I don't think I'll ever get rid of it. But I've kind of kept mine just completely stock. The only thing that I plan on changing is when I bought it, he had their 5-lug. He 5-lugged it, and he put those ROHs on it. So I already have the Cobra wheels that I've got to, I just got to get the tires, and then I'll get those put on. These are out. I'm tired of looking at them. So it's got 44,000 original miles on it. I've just now gotten to where like I drive it more often and I enjoy it. So nobody asked, but it's $49.93, and I keep this in there. If I take it to car shows or anything, I like to have it. And then just the inside's just pretty much stock. I was trying to decide if I wanted to tint the windows, but I don't think I'm going to. I think I just want to get the wheels back on it. And then I'm pretty much set. All right, JT's going to show you his.
This is my 93 Cobra. This one came from Little Rock, Arkansas. I bought it like 2 years ago, I think. But it's got, I think, 62,000 miles and some change on it. This one is vibrant red with cloth interior. It's one of 415 made with no sunroof and cloth interior. It's got a few things done to it. It's got like headers, an X-pipe, and it's got a motorsport E303 cam. It's been lowered. I took the center caps off and had them polished. It's not real modified. I'm gonna leave it alone. I don't want to do a whole lot to these cars, because these cars are just are honestly worth more stock. But
I think mine came from Arkansas too, right?
I'm pretty sure, but I don't know. It's been so long since we had it, I don't remember. But I'm pretty sure it did. But I think that's where I found that one for sure.
Yeah.
But I don't know. We'll crank this one up. Y'all can hear it. Like I said, it sounds good. Bought this car. The interior is actually a little bit dirty. I pulled the complete interior out of this car, and carpet, seats, everything to a shell, and took a pressure washer and sprayed them with a purple power and a little mixture of water and scrubbed them and pressure washed them. And believe it or not, that stuff came so clean. I'm still impressed with it.
And mine has the leather and his is the cloth. All right, guys, I think we're gonna go back inside. He's gonna try to polish up the chopper.
All right, so I'm not a professional detailer by no means. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I've done it a couple times in the past. Really, I'm just trying to take off some. So that's really what I'm just trying to get off, just clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna hit the tank even though it's got a bad spot on it, but I'm sure this thing hadn't been buffed in years. So we'll start out with that, then we'll hit it with the aluminum polish and just try to pretty it up a little bit.
Hey, I was also going to let you guys know while he's doing that, we have a lot of questions on how to get in touch with us if you are interested in buying one of the bikes. The best way, I think we've said it before, but it's been a little while, but the best way is just to email us at budgetrebuilds@yahoo.com.
Y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and finish wiping down the wheels and the chrome and stuff off camera. That's nothing really exciting about that. Just been over polishing and wiping it off. So we'll catch you on the next one. We appreciate you watching our videos. Please continue to like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Appreciate it.